and namaste. I'm Xude with Xude Yoga, and this week we're going to be doing a mindful meditation. This is the first meditation on the channel, so if you are new to meditating, you may have racing thoughts. You may feel an itch in the body. You may feel like you're meditating incorrectly. Let me just tell you, there is no correct or incorrect way of being mindful. One technique I like to use is really counting my breaths. One inhale, one. Exhale, one. Inhale, two. Exhale, two. And while you do this, you're able to tune into your breathing, and everything that's external will begin to drift away from you. Or you may connect to your external reality. There's so many ways of going about meditating, and this is your practice. So I'm gonna suggest a video up here for after the flow, or after this meditation, that you can click on and indulge in. So let's get into this meditation. Getting in a nice comfortable seat, really grounding yourself into Mother Earth. Feeling your root connected, extending the crown, the shoulders lower, the tongue lowers, the jaw lowers. Bringing the hands to heart center, or you can place the tops of your hands on your knees, bringing the thumb and the index finger together. Gently closing the eyes, focusing the gaze in between the eyebrows. Taking deep inhales through the nose, extending the stomach outward. Exhaling out of the nose, cleansing the body of all that's not needed. Tuning into the breath here, begin counting. After each mantra, repeat after me. I am mindful of my breath. I am mindful of the world around me. I am mindful of my inner peace. I am mindful of the peace I project. I am mindful of my existence. I am mindful of my light. I am mindful of my internal bliss. I am mindful of the energy I radiate into the world. I am mindful of the cleansing of the breath. I am mindful of my everyday contributions to the world. I am mindful of my movement. I am mindful of my voice. I am mindful of the divine. I am mindful of the air that surrounds me. I am mindful of the air within. I am mindful of the water that surrounds me. I am mindful of the water within. I am mindful of the fire within. I am mindful of my root. I am mindful of my creativity. I am mindful of my inner power. I am mindful of my boundaries. I am mindful of the truth. I am mindful of my connection to the universe. I am mindful that I am a universe. I am mindful that I am the universe. I am mindful. I am mindful. I am mindful. I am mindful. Breathing through the nose. Exhaling out of the nose. Feeling each breath, feeling the life of each breath. Allowing new life to enter. And allowing yourself to cleanse the body of all of its impurities. Allowing yourself to truly feel what surrounds you, to truly feel what's within. Feeling your connection to awe, embracing your connection to awe. being mindful of all. When you're ready, gently opening the eyes. Giving yourself some time to regather. I like to move a bit after meditation, moving the shoulders, moving the neck. Maybe even moving the hips a bit. Taking this time for yourself. Taking as much time as you need. Thank you all for tuning in. Like I said, you can remain here as long as you need to. Feel however you need to. If you have any questions, if you want to contact me directly, all of that's in the description. I'm here for you. I'm here to guide you. So thank you so much for tuning in, for showing up for yourself. And until next week, namaste.